Jesus! Jesus!
Alright, man, everyone survived. Everyone's.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
Habibi, come to Dubai!
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy.
So you're next, right?
It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed.
Yo guys, I'm about to experience what it feels like to be the pilot of a plane. It's never been my dream being a pilot one day, but I just want to have the feel, to have the experience, to know what it feels like flying the plane. So I will be seated here in a few minutes and I will be flying the plane with my co-pilot. And of course, I will be given some instruction by a very good pilot. I think this is the real pilot.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Are you a real pilot?
Trained for the same private pilot.
Oh, private pilot. So you're gonna be my instructor on this
safe, man.
on this flight.
Yeah.
All right. Wish me luck. I thought I was gonna be the pilot, but this guy took my space and he insisted he wants to be the pilot. I'm supposed to be the pilot, but now I'm the co-pilot. So no problem.
It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed.
And this is
Too
too
easy.
easy. Oh man.
Too easy.
So guys, we're about to hit the sky. No seatbelt.
Y'all just talk, don't live it.
No seatbelt.
I'm so
Wow.
No seatbelt.
This plane is
Shit, no seatbelt. Okay.
Alright guys, so we are in the Airbus A380, as you can see, and this is my co-pilot for today. Co-pilot.
I've been flying for 47 years. I've never entered a gallop.
Okay.
I've never scratched a plane tire.
Okay.
You are confusing the co-pilot. Hello guys. So now we are in the Airbus A380 with my pilot, and I'm the assistant pilot, the co-pilot, and we're about to head straight down to Russia.
Yes.
Straight down to Moscow.
Yes.
Regardless what's going on there, we're using the runway. We're on the runway now, you can see, and we're going straight to Russia.
Go down, push forward, and to turn left and right. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. The two pedals on the bottom with your feet, that controls the plane on the ground.
Okay.
Alright, so if you press right, it steers right, left it steers left when you're on the ground.
Okay.
But if you press both together, brakes
Okay.
for stopping. Okay?
Is that how a real plane is like?
Same controls, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Now these are the wheels, the landing gear. On the ground you need it down, once you're in the air, wheels up. Okay, and these are the throttles. So to go faster, you push forward, to go slower, bring it back.
All of them,
All
right?
together, correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Now in front of you in the instruments, left side shows you your speed, and the blue and brown, that shows you the level of the plane. Right side, altitude.
Okay.
Okay. Navigation, yellow is you.
Okay.
Just follow the green line.
Okay.
That's your flight path. Okay?
So are we moving now?
Not yet. Take off. Let me show you first. To the left, yeah. That's like the handbrake in a car.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so brakes are off, that's fine. But flaps one.
Where?
This one here, yeah. So
One.
squeeze it, one down. That's good.
Good.
Full power, please. Alright, as soon as you start moving, you want to keep the plane in the middle using your pedals. So just react accordingly, okay?
Okay.
And then when the speed reaches 150, 150, that's when you take off. Just pull back on the joystick.
When it reaches 150.
150.
Okay.
Okay? Pull back.
Pull back. Wait, you'll be here with us, right? No.
No, I'm kidding. I'll be here, yeah.
Why are you nervous?
Okay.
So we'll pull back now.
Yeah, let's clean it all together. Then
Yeah.
we'll start. Alright, now we're doing it. You ready, Captain?
Yeah. Ready.
Begin.
Whoa. Yeah, that's right. So what's my duty?
Yeah, it's up to the captain. Press the right pedal, right pedal, right pedal.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Whoa.
what's next?
Follow the green line.
No.
Turn left with the stick. With the joystick.
What is this?
Yeah, there you go. And all your passengers in the back, they're like, Jesus!
Jesus!
Down.
Keep going down. Level the plane. More.
Oh my God!
Down. Okay, that's enough.
Good.
Power down.
I love Pocoyo.
Guys, this is getting interesting, guys. Guys, oh my God.
Where are you going?
Turn right.
Right?
Yeah, let me show you that.
Oh.
This white line, match it with the green. Yeah, there you go. Then go down. You're so climbing. Go down. You're like a rocket.
Guys, initially when we took off, we wanted to full send, you know. So that's what's causing all of this now.
Yeah.
And we are full sending. Why is here blown out? Guys, the pilot is doing vlog while he's flying this big Airbus.
Yes.
What's going on?
Yes.
Oh my God. Bro, man, on course now. Wow.
So you have to. You remember we are heading to Russia?
Yes, Moscow.
Also, keep on landing in Moscow, okay?
Okay.
So then, these really meet each other.
It's now set full flaps. All the way down.
All the way down.
All the way down. And put the wheels down as well.
Crew members,
160 is the speed, right?
prepare for landing.
Go down. Power down. Just a bit. Power down. That's good.
We've approached Moscow and the weather is negative 10 degrees
Negative
Celsius.
10 degrees Celsius, yes. This way?
Local time is 5:30.
You start going down.
There are no emergency exits on this flight. I repeat, there is no emergency exit on this flight.
600 kilometers per hour. That's too fast. Power down.
Power down.
Wait, more further back.
To the left?
Further back. Yeah, that's good. And turn to the left. Right. By the way, watch your navigation. You have 2 planes landing here. Let's trap here. Yeah, they should be somewhere here. You'll see them.
Oh, so that's why I don't need to go fast?
Avoid it. Yes, exactly.
Wow. So that's why maybe the speed reduces in the real aircraft.
Alright, turn a bit to the right. Let's head towards the traffic just to see them. Right where now.
See somebody selling something.
More to the right.
Yeah, that's enough. Now go up.
Up. To the left. This way.
So the touchdown sequence, first before you hit the ground,
Okay.
cut the power,
Okay.
then nose up. Land the plane flat wheels first. When you
Okay.
touch down, brakes, both pedals.
Okay.
Alright, I'll tell you when.
But I'm not centered in the runway.
Yeah, you're on the right side, turn left.
This way.
Yeah, that's enough, that's good, go down. Alright, you have some winds, that's why. Alright, can you press the right pedal for this?
This way.
Hold it. Hold it like that, yeah, just hold it like that, okay? Alright, now turn left with the stick. More down. Alright, now turn right, yeah, that's great. Right.
Should I still hold it?
Yeah, just keep holding it.
The right pedal?
You have some, yeah, just keep holding it. You have some wind. Alright, turn to the left. To the left. More, further.
More to the left.
Yeah. Go down. That's it.
Captain Opunyo.
That's right.
So what are we doing now?
To the left.
This way?
Yeah, go down.
Down?
Yeah.
When do I cut the flap? The power?
Now.
Now?
Power down.
Power down.
All the way. Good.
Jesus! Jesus! Oh God! God! Good landing! Captain Poyon!
Man, everyone survived.
Jesus! Thank you, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus! Thank you!
Alright, before you go, give me your phone. Let me take some pictures for you.
Okay.
I can do this with my eyes closed.
Bruh.
Nice.
That was fun.
There you go, sir. You're full back. Thank you very much for waiting, alright? Thank you.
Guys, please hire me to fly your Airbus A380-800.
To Russia.
I am now a certified pilot and flyer.
A certified flyer. A certified flyer. Not a pilot.
I am now a certified flyer apparently. So just hire me. As you can see, we just landed in Moscow's airport.
Yes.
So that we just parked the plane.
But
we are
our
doing
plane
some
don't have
maintenance. We are doing some maintenance. That's what matters the most. Then we take off to the next country.
Okay.
So stay tuned.
So the plane, due to maintenance, they disconnected the down part.
Yes.
Yeah, after maintenance, they will add it again.
Yeah, because we just landed in Moscow just for security purposes.
Yes, yes, to load the missile inside.
No, we don't do missile stuff.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yes.
So this is the airport of Moscow.
Yes, we are just going to grab our luggages now.
Yeah.
And then we'll check out.
our suitcases.
Pilot hasn't gotten his yet, so I'm just going to get mine now. And then once we grab the luggage,
And we are going to eat too, because there was no proper food in the flight.
yeah,
It was a long flight.
yeah, it was a long
From
flight.
Dubai
That's
to
another
Russia.
thing. Yes.
That's it. So now we are in the underwater of the airport.
Yeah, this is just the underwater section of our airport, the Moscow airport. And you know, we have other passengers. These are some of the passengers that we brought in the plane. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.
For our flight back to Dubai, DSB International Airport.
100%. Stay tuned.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy.
You like it? You're shy.
Too easy.
Why are you shy?
It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. Boy, all that like Keenan. Still got crack, they fiending. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. They still tryna fight my demons. We all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Make me put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like Kima. Ain't give a F to you like John Cena. Putting blood on a brand new Beamer. Tryna earn they stripes like Adidas. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo, mi gente must really need Jesus. They shed real blood, I never seen the crypt and I believe it.